Steve Caroselli, welcome to ASIS TV.
Great to be back.
Orion Entrance Control.
Yes.
Tell us what you guys do, because I know not everybody knows, but they should.
They definitely
These guys
should.
do the best.
We do, thank you. So Orion Entrance Control is located in New Hampshire, and we are an entrance control, speed lane, turnstile manufacturer.
Now, what excites me about the manufacturing part is almost everything you buy is manufactured by somebody else overseas. You must be one of the few companies that produce it here in America, is that right?
Yeah, we're very proud of that fact. In America, also 90% in New Hampshire. It's right down to the board level.
Wow, that's fabulous.
Yeah.
And I also like it because now access control is not your grandfather's access control. This is high-tech stuff. We have integration with computer systems, and we can't just let anybody be on the network like the drone problem.
Right,
where 90% of the drones are from China, and we know they're listening, right?
Yes.
Because you guys are making it here, controlling it. So give us a background on how you take that integration part of the security seriously. The physical bars, that's great, but really it's about
on the network side.
Networks now,
for
right?
sure. And that actually goes back, we started the company a little over 9 years ago and made a decision to control our own hardware at the chip level so that we could protect the network. Honestly, at the time I had no idea why anyone would want to put a turnstile on a network.
Good point.
But we do it 99% of the time to push out data, for instance, to connect to other systems over the LAN, and we've always had that security piece embedded in our hardware.
Now, is that a little different than some of the other competitors?
It absolutely is. Yeah,
Okay.
a lot of the competitors use off-the-shelf PLCs and computer controllers, and we just made a decision that in order to remain future-proof, we were going to be backwards and forwards compatible and control that piece of the supply chain.
So, do you have government contracts?
We have some.
So they must like that from a security point of view,
or as well as big corporate. You know, a lot of the big corporate companies we work with some very large retail that's very concerned about data on their network, and obviously government is.
Right.
Yeah.
Now, give me an idea of the largest scale for a client and the smallest scale for a client.
So we treat every project very unique. We've done a single lane. I just shipped a single lane in North Carolina for a new power plant that's going up for the construction site.
During construction?
Yeah, during construction, they're using it in their office building.
Yeah.
The construction office to as large as 280 lanes across 12 countries for one global customer.
Wow.
Yeah.
Now, that must be an integration challenge.
It is, but everyone is unique.
Right.
Every site's unique. Every integrator's unique. And we work to make it smooth. Now,
where's the access control business going? What's happening in the business right now that we should be aware of?
Well, obviously we see biometrics is getting a lot of traction.
Right.
We're seeing that algorithm be fast enough to be on a speed lane.
Is it working?
It does, actually.
Okay.
Yeah, I'm really pleased with what I've seen in the last couple of years, both with fingerprint on the fly and facial and others. And then, of course, mobile. The phone,
mobile,
we're seeing that on a lot of our projects.
That's your access card now.
Yeah, exactly. Right. And our latest challenge has been the CIOS cards with reduced read range to make that function properly. So we're actually showing that off it now. We've come up with a new antenna working directly with HID's consultant to solve that problem.
Good.
Yeah.
Fantastic. Now, latest technology merging with access control.
Oh, thank you very much. So one of the things we're very excited about is we've partnered with a company called Quinergy that is the top LiDAR technology on the planet right now. They designed their technology actually around autonomous cars, and we've taken that sensor technology and put it on a door guard type solution. So where you can't put a turnstile, so you've got turnstiles in your front lobby, but you might have 20, 30, 100 doors around your perimeter that you're not currently securing.
Right.
This allows us to tie that into the system, gives you true occupancy, and it's truly a better mousetrap. The solution for the last 20 years has been to put kind of a beam bar on the door frame.
Yeah, that's right.
But if you were to stand in that front of that beam bar, I could walk 100 people in your building.
Yeah.
Right? This is an overhead technology. It's very easy to install and super accurate and less expensive. So I'm really excited about that. The other thing that we're really working on, I've been talking with a good friend of mine, Chuck Andrews, about situational awareness within a lobby space. So we talk about active shooter, gunshot detection. We're partnering with Eagle Detection on that.
Oh, you do with Eagle?
Yeah, absolutely.
We just interviewed them. Fabulous product.
Great. Yeah, great technology. I really like what they're doing. We're also looking at passive detection with millimeter wave technology. And then you can take all of your standard traditional components like live video, intercom, and do things once you have that initial situation.
I was wondering about the gunshot detection, because if I have a gunshot go off, it's almost like if I have a fire. I want fail safe, not fail secure. Correct. I don't want to lock people out of my access control. I want the cops to be able to get in there. So if the gunshot goes off, Orion's going to open the turnstiles for
It depends.
Well,
so
to
that's
get out
what,
or in. I mean,
yeah, that's what situational awareness is
that's right.
about, right? So it might be lock the turnstile because the shooter's on the other side.
Well, that's true.
And then
yeah.
don't bring elevators and push out messaging or video
Yeah.
and intercom. So
Great
kind
idea.
kind of shortening the time around the situation of
Yeah.
responsiveness.
Fantastic. Now,
Yeah.
we got GSX coming up,
Yes,
formerly ASIS Security Expo.
absolutely.
What are you excited about? Why is it different to you?
You know,
it is different. It not only feels different, but it's different.
Yeah, it looks different. It feels different. I haven't had a lot of opportunity to dig into it, but my first impression is I really like it a lot.
Good.
I like the branding. I like all the partnerships we're seeing. They're partnering some of my favorite programs from the past together.
Oh, yes, they are partnering with
you.
special. That's right.
As well as some of the other things I've been reading about lately
Yeah.
that we're excited to partner with.
Excellent. So you think it's catching people's attention?
I do.
Good.
It's a little different, but it's very well done.
Excellent.
Yeah, absolutely.
Very good. Steve Caroselli, Orion Access Control out of New Hampshire. Good old-fashioned USA Access Control System. Back in a minute here on Security Guy.
Thank you very much.
TV and ASIS TV. The new ASIS TV.
Love it.
Thanks.